there, artisans, welcome back to this channel. This is Rochelle Rosenberg. I want to share with you new techniques and new ideas, so come and hang around with me.
On point. Now is my time to shine.
So our topic for today is about colors and the techniques that is included in it. So before we start, I would like to share with you how I preserve my acrylic colors, and also this will save you time and money. What you will need is an old Tupperware with cover, tissue paper and baking paper, and also water. It can save you a lot of time. Keep the paintings wet, because mostly I'm working with wet on wet, but also we know that the colors are drying so fast, all right, because they are acrylic. They're not the same with oil, and the top of the colors dry as well overnight, not so fast, but just some top of it. And what happens is that you waste a lot of money. So my first tip is that you must have a tissue paper, right? It doesn't need to be so expensive. You can actually buy these kind of papers, or if you have a newspaper, tissue paper, whatever. And I have this baking paper. So the use of this is to keep the colors wet, and by covering them I keep the colors fresh. So we have water here, and I'm gonna put a little bit of water, right? I think that's enough, so a little bit more probably. So what we're gonna do is to put this paper in there, and it should be really wet, okay? Our paper shouldn't be swimming because this is not a swimming pool. And then we're gonna put this paper. Now, if you will notice, when you put the colors in there, the bottom layer of the color actually is wet, and it prevents from drying, right? Whenever you cover it, there's moist, because outside of this box is kind of warm, and it's in room temperature, so it will not dry because of the cover, but it will moisten the painting instead, all right, or the colors. So now we're gonna drop in this yellow. So we're just gonna put these warm colors first, probably, or light. Put the light one first. We're gonna put the white over here. That's quite a lot. And we have the blue. So this is almost gonna be finished, but I want to save a lot of money, so I don't want to waste even a drop of it. Let's see. Oh, that was too much. All right, that's fine. Now I'm gonna use the palette, or this over here. Okay. Like so. And we're gonna need black, like here. Alright, we're not gonna need so much of that. And this as well. Oh, that one was dry. Okay, I think we're ready to go. So now we have our colors here. We will also need an old rug, or this kind of cloth, because I usually dry my brushes in between. Whenever I wash them from the water, I usually dry them fast, okay? this is the basic things that I usually use in my color blending or in my painting. I have a pencil for sketching, and these are one of my favorites. I have the flat brush. This is the flat brush, and I have the angled brush. I have this number 2 and the number 8. Okay, so these are good for detailing. So I'm gonna wet them. So I do that. I don't know why, but I do it anyway. Don't leave your brushes very long. So I just want to wet them so that they are ready. Okay, so that's how I do it. Now it's soft and ready. So I'm gonna give you some color shadings on how you're gonna mix colors.
Doubters overnight, and until then you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Plant the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you send it on wishing. Listen, do your own math and learn from the stuff that you are missing. Create your own path with your own vision.